What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like, and I am back with another video. And I did some burgundy box braids. Like, I am really feeling it. The length, the color is just perfect. But yeah, if you guys want to see this video, then definitely keep on watching.
Round 2, fight.
So I blow dried my hair last night, and I had to like stretch it because I didn't really want to put too much heat on it. So I just did some chunky twists. I'm about to do the worst part, which is the sectioning. Yeah, I'm about to section my hair off. I got my rat tail comb. I got my rubber bands because the rubber band method is easier. So I love me some box braids, sis. And look at my hair just out here flourishing. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. I can't hang that. I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and we're just gonna start parting my hair out. This is my second time doing box braids, but this is my first time doing like a color. Like, I mean, I did blonde, that I guess you can call that a color, but this is like a color. You know what I'm saying? Like, that is so crooked. So now what I'm about to take and use to slick the parts is my edge tamer. This is by Ebin, E-B-I-N. I love their edge tamer. I took a little bit and I'm gonna put it right here. And I put it on the top half too, like on this part too. So baby daddy keep me icy. I don't know if I gotta take a number 2 or number 1. Or number 2 and number 1. But my stomach got a little situation going on. If you have done box braids before, girl, you know the struggle. How do you? Oh, no.
Day 2.
Whew. Okay, so I'm gonna take my TGIN. This is the Buttercream, the Daily Moisturizer. Dang, I don't got that much of this. I take a little bit, like that much. This just to slick it down, and then I'm gonna brush it out as well, get any knots out. So I'm also using the Vivica A. Fox hair collection, and this is in 132. This is her jumbo canicolon braiding hair, and I feel like this hair, it matched my other hair color good, but it was too dark, and I was like, nah, I don't think that's gonna look right. That's why I darkened my hair a little bit. I mean, there's some light color, some places, give it some dimension. Didn't do that on purpose, but yeah, so I really like this color. And this hair is not pre-stretched. I wish it was, because that's more work on my part. So to stretch the hair, all you do at the bottom, like I already started doing it, but you're just gonna take the bottom and go like this. Just so it can be a little bit more jagged on the end and not so, can y'all see that? Yeah, so it can be more jagged on the ends instead of straight across. If you guys have darker hair or whatever, look for something that has pre-stretched because it's easier. You don't have to do all of that. Like, that's extra work, you know what I'm saying? And if you're doing this yourself, you don't want to go through extra work. I'm low-key a little nervous again. Why am I nervous? Okay, hold on. I'm going to pull it in the middle so that I can have 3 pieces like this. And then the middle part I'm going to put on my actual hair like so. And I'm going to grab it at the base and then start going under. Not how I want it to look. But yeah, I'm pretty much just going under and under. I really can't show you guys because, I mean, it's the back of my hair. And I'm not too worried about like that gap right there. I really don't care because it's the back and it's not going to be seen. to do it with nails on. Like, I can't even front. It's a little bit tougher. I don't know how to get the back part. Like, this part was easier, even though like that looks messed up. I'm just so confused right now. I'm so confused right now. How did I get back there? I'm gonna twist it a little bit too, just so I can try to grip it on there. Oh, OMG, that's gonna just be right there. I'm gonna leave it right there. I can do it. I'm about to have just 2 back there. I'm about to make this 1. There we go. Yay! God say, oh, you wanted to give up? We don't do that over here. We don't do that. We don't do that over here. We don't do that. Yes, thank you, Lord, because you knew. You knew it was about to go right back in that bed. Also, remember to take some of your edge control where your real hair is and just like slick it down, because I feel like that's what I'm not doing. So that's why there's more flyaways. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I'm going under, under, under. All right. Go under, under, under. If you're a female, like, you know what I'm going through right now.
Open the fuck up!
I can't even concentrate for real. Because the way my body is set up right now, I'm actually about to take a break, honestly, because I was trying to take a break at 5 o'clock, but I may need to take a break at 3 o'clock. But I'm really feeling this color, like, I'm really feeling this color. Can y'all see it? Keep making sure that you bring the hair out, because that's when it gets tangled and you will get so frustrated, like, trust me. So you want to kind of like rake your hand through the hair, like through each section, because it will tangle on you. It will tangle horribly. And I'm just taking some of my butter, my cream from TGIN, and I'm pretty much just about to keep going under. I like to go under because I feel like it just looks cleaner that way. I just don't understand. I thought this like was gonna be easy peasy because I've done this before, but no, it feels like my first time all over again. And dang, look at how clean that is. All of them aren't like that though. So I am taking this out because I only have 3 more packs of hair left, and I have like 30-ish braids to go. So I'm going to be making them more so like this length, this thickness. I did it. I feel like I just accomplished something today. This time it was harder because I have nails on, so it just was going like this. Like that. And then my nails started hurting, and it was just, I wanted to give up so bad. So freaking bad. But we only have a little bit left. So in total, I used 9 packs of hair. I know that's a lot, but the packs of hair were only $2.49, and I really like this color. Like this color, I haven't seen anybody have like a burgundy like this. I'm almost done with this. Like, almost. Like, this is literally, there's nothing in here for real. I am finally done. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm gonna take my scissors, and you guys see like my rubber bands. I'm gonna cut those out because it just doesn't look nice. All right, cool beans. I'm gonna take some of this setting mousse. This is from Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils line. Take some of that. I don't know why I be squeaking like that. That's so weird. I did this in my last one. I really don't know why people do this, but it honestly helps your box braids last longer, because I was doing this probably every other day and putting it on all of my hair, and it made it last super long. I was using Lottie Body. I was using a lot of body though, but still, I mean, it's setting mousse, so it is what it is. Like, and this is how, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks before I put the hot water on it. This is how it looks, like very like raggedy and scraggly. So I'm finished. I did my makeup. I recorded this for IGTV and maybe up. Oh no. But yeah, so this is my hair. I finished. It took me a whole week, a full week to finish, pretty much. And this is how the ends look now that they've been dipped in water, hot water, okay? I dipped them in twice, but yeah, this is how the ends look now. I like it. I like it a lot. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. I really like this burgundy, and I like how this hair feels. It's very soft. It's very soft. But when I was going through it, I just hate Kanika hair, but it's very soft. It's just, it's full enough for me. This is how box braids make you feel. They just make you feel like, ooh, 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 ooh. Pump it up, hey, pump. So that is the end of this video. If you guys like this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Follow me on Instagram at naturally.sunny. Also, follow me on Instagram at naturally.sunny. And that is it. I love you guys so freaking much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.